Okay, well, welcome back. All right, I should be like this now. The time for Show Yourself be this. And of course, I get this correct guy in the building with me. No Show Yourself things. Now time for us to give platform to those ones where they try to do the whole level. Okay, so I get with me in the building DJ Cabal.
Yes, so
DJ Cabal. Correct. It's time for your friend. Now I see where they shout when you enter stage.
DJ Cabal.
Okay. Okay, now DJ Cabal be that.
Yes, sir.
DJ. Okay.
So the
Cabal. He did that. So what kind of music they do so?
I do Afro pop, normal Nigeria secular music.
Okay.
In my own way, shall.
Okay. And you be DJ too?
Of course.
Okay, so you just add the other house to join the whole thing.
What thing I go do now?
My brother.
Jago.
Yeah.
I'm watch like my Yoruba.
All right, so DJ Cabal will do a song for us right now. Make everybody enjoy the whole level. All right, so which song you want to do for us now?
I'll do my new song, Feeling the Boy.
Feeling the Boy.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll see
DJ
Cabal, Feeling the Boy. Easy bit. Knock it for.
Now waiting they I me so now your love. Now waiting they do me so now your love. Now waiting they shock me so now your love. And I go travel all around just for your love. Now waiting they eye me so now your love. Now waiting they shock me so now your love. Now waiting they do me so now your love. And I go travel all around just for your love. For your love, girl, I go fly your car there. I go love you like there's no one other. Mommy, I go be your father. Now waiting they eye me so now your love. Now waiting they do me so now your love. Now waiting they shock me so now your love. And I could travel all around just for your love. Your love not kill man not die. Your love the total man they love you. This love we carry front and back. To deny me.
Feeling the boy. Correct one. I like your energy. Love your performance.
I agree with you.
Correct. You know, it's very easy to know person where the future over bright for. You understand? I like your performance, and very, very importantly, like we always talk, you have to always bring it. You get me now? And they will feel you. How they will take reach you on top social media. For those ones that were not watching now, we feel everything we just do now. How they will take reach you just in case.
All right, for Facebook, DJ Cabal, Sheun Jaja.
Okay.
Then for Twitter, I am DJ Cabal _DPM.
Okay. Then for
Instagram, the same thing.
Okay.
I am DJ Cabal _DPM.
Okay.
DPM now for the Prince of Mix.
Okay, the Prince of Mix.
DJ Cabal, the Prince of Mix.
All right.
What's up?
hope you enjoyed the show tonight. Please, very, very importantly, would they wait for una comments on top Twitter? Would they very appreciate and if they let us know how they feel the whole show on top Twitter. So just go Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach for there. Just knock your own gist. Tell us how you feel the whole show. Give us comments, and the comments they make us they go. They improve, and of course, know what they do right. All right. So they wait for all of our comments on top Twitter at W Late Night Show, or personally at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter. All right. And also very, very importantly for advert placements, make una just contact us on top of the same portals. Even our email there for now to send us message, and then from there we'll know how everything go. Really, really appreciate the fact that 2 Baba follows day on top of the show today, and 2 Baba bone.
No, great.
Bone. You don't see that dance. You don't see that dance. You there, body. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, biggest shout out to Two-Face, now known as 2 Baba. So I don't know now officially 2 Baba will follow us on top of the show tonight, and of course DJ Cabal. We're doing thing earlier. All right, so for here we'll say good night to everybody. Make sure we get better night, and we'll see you now tomorrow, God willing. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.